Hi guys, today I'm bird revealing how exciting BTW I have two birds. First, I want to talk about them, then reveal them. The first bird I will be showing, her name is Milo. She's a girl. And she's yellow, and she's a Carawan version, and she's yellow, but her wings only has a little bit of gray, and everything else is yellow, and she's a cute angel. Second bird is a devil. She comes to us just to bite us. We are planning to replace the devil. Her name is Mango. She's a big devil in disguise. She makes herself look cute like an angel, but she's a devil in disguise. Now let's reveal them. 3, 2, 1. This is Milo, the cute angel. Ignore the sound in the background. It's my laundry sound. Rate her the comment section polls. Now it's the mini devil in disguise. She's so noisy. Rate her in the comment section. I hate her so much. Do you hate her too? LMAO, look at her. She's so cute, but a devil in disguise. Okay guys, TX, so much for watching. Let's try to reach 100 subs. You can watch me play for like 30 secs. Three.